Take me to that.
Right.
Not the complaint, my lord, at
Page,
page 27. Sorry. 17, my lord.
what is that you have said? Typed copy alli ಇದೆ.
At page 19.
19 typed copy na?
ಹೌದು.
ಯಾರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್?
ಮಸ್ಜಿದ್
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು?
ಹೊರಗಡೆ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಘೋಷಣೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ.
ಏನ್ ಘೋಷಣೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರಿ? ಭಾರತ್ ಮಾತಾ ಕಿ ಜೈ. ಹಾ? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 153 ಏನು?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನರುಮಿಡ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಗಿ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ ಸುರೇಶ, ವಿನಯ್, ಸುಭಾಷ್, ರಂಜಿತಾ, ಧನಂಜಯ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದು ಅಧ್ಯಾಚ ಶಬ್ದಗಳನ್ನು ಬೈದು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಸೀದಿಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕುತ್ತೇನೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ ಎಂದು ಬೊಬ್ಬೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಸೀದಿಗೆ ನುಗ್ಗಲು ಯತ್ನಿಸಿದ ಸಂದರ್ಭ. ಅವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಪುನಃ ಅವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಕಲಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ ಎಂದು ಮೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆರಗಿ ಅವರ ಕೈಲಿದ್ದ ಮಾರಕ ಆಯುಧಗಳನ್ನ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಯುವಕರಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಯತ್ನಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ.
This is, my lord, a concocted story, my lord, as afterthought. In fact, my lord, after celebration of, my lord, this victory, my lord, Lord, two of the persons who were traveling in the road, my lord, were assaulted. A FIR was registered.
Who was traveling on the road?
Some, my lord, FIR is at page 21. This was lodged, my lord, and they were admitted to hospital. As a counter blast, this has been given to cover up
Against whom did you complain?
Lord, some of the, my lord, local people were, my lord, page 22, accused names are there. This was, my lord, registered as crime number 80. 9 o'clock. And next day they will, my lord, register this FIR as a counter blast. Morning at 8 o'clock. This incident, my lord, takes place and somebody, my lord, injured. Two of them were, my lord, four were injured. As a counter blast, this has been in the morning. Their complaint is at, my lord, page 27.
ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
Both are being investigated.
But this is a clear case, my lord, afterthought, my lord, to cover up their, my lord, assault.
But there are
the previous day.
But there are ingredients, my lord, that led the-
Ingredients.
that they had
ಅವತ್ತೇ
made-
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, same day.
Police also, my lord, rushed to the
Yeah.
spot. They were
It happened
present
in the
in
night. Incident happened in the night.
Night at what time?
Night, my lord, is
9:06.
that,
Police were in the spot, my lord. No
9
complaints
o'clock.
were lodged.
9 to 9
It's
to
only
10
in the
o'clock.
morning, my lord, they covered, my lord, the story.
complaint received at 8 a.m. in the morning.
And stabbing is, my lord, kindly see the complaint at page 27, raising the slogan, my lord, Bharat Mata ki Jai, and also, my lord, Pradhana Mantri
ವಿಜಯೋತ್ಸವ
ki Jai Kara.
ಆಚರಿಸಿ. No, you come to the complaint at 27. We'll
Yes,
first go to that complaint.
Yes.
ವಿಜಯೋತ್ಸವ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸೋನ್ಸು ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರು ಸೇರಿ ವಿಜಯೋತ್ಸವ ಆಚರಿಸಿ ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗೆ ಜೈಕಾರ ಹಾಕಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿರುವ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮನಾದ ನಂದಕುಮಾರ್ ಹರೀಶ್ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತನಾದ
No, but we'll have to investigate whether this has any nexus to that also, or maybe completely two different incidents.
But how is it 153?
The fact that, my lord, that they made an attempt to enter into masjid. And
Where?
In the complaint, my lord. The complaint,
ಆಮೇಲೆ?
page number 19, my lord.
ಜೈಕಾರ ಹಾಕುದ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಜೀವ ಸಹಿತ ಬಿಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ.
It's all afterthought, my lord.
Page
In the
number
night, my
19,
lord,
my lord,
police
type-
were in
What time did this happen?
It's claimed, my lord,
Around
12:15 AM. Complaint is registered at 12:15 AM.
the complaint registered, my lord.
and they were taken
no.
to hospital.
Page 28.
Hospitalized.
Yes,
12:15 AM. Hospital. ಏನಿದೆ hospital documents?
They were in hospital. These, my lord, they were injured in the.
Where is the document to show that you are in the hospital, sir?
ಎಂಡೋಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೇಸ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಗಾಯಾಳುಗಳ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಎಂಡೋಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
ಏನಂತ?
ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
Last ಗೆ
ಗಾಯಾಳುಗಳ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ
ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಯಾಳುಗಳು ಆರೈಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಫಿರ್ಯಾದಿದಾರರು ನೀಡಿದ ದೂರನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್.
ಹೌದು.
ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ?
This is the 8 a.m. they received this
Next
complaint.
day
8 AM.
8 a.m.
To give a color of, my lord, counter case.
One minute.
In fact, this incident claims, my lord, it was much earlier than that incident.
Which incident?
The 153A incident. Your lordship may see
No,
time.
7 PM
ಅಲ್ಲ,
on the 9th.
ಅಲ್ಲ, 7 p.m. ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು.
Come to page 27. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಸಂಜೆ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ.
It seems to have a different.
ಸಂಜೆ 7
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಗಂಟೆ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ದೇವರ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಟ್ 12:15. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ವಿಜಯೋತ್ಸವ, ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಟ್ 9:15. ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಮಿಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಘಟನೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಸುಮಾರು 9:15 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ 9:15?
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ
ಈ ಘಟನೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಸುಮಾರು 9:15 ವಿಧಾನವಾರ
ಡಾನ್ ಬಾರ್ ಬೋಳಿಯಾರು ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಜಾಮಾ ಮಸೀದಿ ಎದುರು 8:45.
8 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ ದಿಸ್
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ 8 AM sir.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಟ್ 8:45.
8:45 in the night.
ಹೌದು.
But 153 again ಇಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಇದೆ.
the fact that they have made an attempt to enter into and then abuse them and send them to make them attempt to send them to the Pakistan.
ಯಾವ
whatever
send them to the Pakistan ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು?
ಕೇಳಿದಾರಂಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
ಸರಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, let the investigation happen, my lord, then we'll see what happens, my lord, post investigation, lord. Both cases can be investigated by, we'll direct, the lordship can direct, my lord, both cases can be investigated by same investigation
So
officer.
that you have to do wide direction.
ಅಲ್ಲ, but in
What
case,
happens to your circular?
it is not,
Case and counter case.
it is not a case and counter case.
It has been given, my lord, color of a counter case. After
That is
thought,
what
my lord,
we-
they register the case. Normally, my lord, when the very next moment, when the police rush to the spot, nothing prevented from them to register so motor case or, my lord, on the complaint of the masjid people. Now this is afterthought, my lord. In the morning, they register a case. When these, my lord, victims are in the hospital and their condition is critical.
That
This,
police
my lord,
duty, my lord,
case of abuse of process of law,
police
my lord,
duty,
your
my lord, to
lordship
defuse the
respect my
situation,
interest.
they have diffused the situation and then that night when incident has happened. It is not that they can't be.
Entire police team was there, my lord, battalion was there.
ಅವ್ರು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ,
It is
injured
not a case and counter case, but if my learned friend claims that it's case and counter case, no, let the investigation be done by same.
No, he's not claiming that. He's saying it's not a case and counter.
Not a counter case.
It's a counter blast.
Counter
The
blast.
counter blast and afterthought.
No, let the investigation happen, my lord, that. Otherwise, my lord, that it becomes a routine, my lord, that
What
enter,
becomes a routine?
it becomes a routine, my lord, I can go to any place and then do anything
There.
and then.
ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. 8:45ಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು?
Like
There
incident, my
was
lord, is
no warrant to give a complaint at 8:45 when the incident happened. Why did they wait till 8 AM in the morning? And why is the complaint registered after that complaint is
Your
registered?
lordship may have it next week, my lord. I'll see if the CCTV camera is available. If they've recovered something, I'll place this material.
Do that. Yes.
If that is there, my
Till
lord,
then, till then, don't take any coercive steps against them. Yes.
My lord, grant interim order of stay, my lord.
Next time,
All
ಮಾಡುವ.
innocent people. Please,
Right. Why do you all indulge in these things?
it is
Why this?
face it, my lord, afterthought, my lord, and
The petitioner is before this, petitioners are before this court, calling in question registration of a crime in crime number 81 of 2024. The petitioners were in a euphoric mood and were celebrating the victory of their leader. At which point in time it transpires that the complainant in the subject petition had assaulted these petitioners, and the assault led them to get admitted in a hospital,
his name
which
is not, his name is not there as an accused.
ಅಲ್ಲ, in the hospital, and his name is not there.
No, not there in their past. He is not an accused name. Page 22, my lord.
ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು? ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ.
my lord, what happened is, my lord, in the
What happened, you told me.
night they were, my lord, admitted to the hospital. Then the others who were not,
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್.
my lord,
FIR ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
not they are not accused in that. Complainant is
Bashir, Sadiq, Monu, Abubakar.
Anyway, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್? Admitted to the hospital. The complaint is received by the Sub-Inspector of Police of Konaje Police Station at 12:15 AM at the time when the present petitioners were taking treatment in the hospital.
No, present petitioner, sir.
Who are taking?
My lord, some, my lord, victims.
Then how are you linking the two?
My lord, they are, my lord,
Get the investigation papers.
my lord, the complaint is given, my lord, alleging the same incident, my lord, at the later stage. They are not named, my lord, deliberately. The others were named.
We'll see. Get the investigation papers from both. ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಇದು?
10th, my lord,
10th June.
10th June.
Get the list the matter on Tuesday in the fresh matters list. Investigation that has happened till now shall be produced before the court. Till such time, no coercive steps shall be taken against the petitioners.
Okay.
Yes. Next.
20.
If you want to give a link, you should properly give it. You are not you are not concerned about the complaint at all.
No, my lord,
ಮತ್ತೆ?
the allegation is that, my lord, they were traveling together. Only the injured were taken to hospital, my lord.
Let's see.
And against others, they have lodged the complaint.
Let the
This is the
investigation.
only situation.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ
We'll
ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬನ್ನಿ.
take it.
Yes.
My
In the
lord,
fresh matters list on Tuesday.
I appear for the petitioners in this matter.
Why are you always on the VC?
I'm sorry, my lords, there's some inconvenience for me yesterday and today. I'm sorry, my lords.
Monday or Wednesday.
Huh?
Tuesday, some inconvenience.
Wednesday, all right. Wednesday, fresh matters list. Yes. Wednesday.
Petitioners have taken position in execution proceedings pursuant to this honorable court had also intervened in the matter.
I heard the learned counsel B.M. Arun appearing for the petitioner. The complainant was the petitioner in writ petition 3837 of 2023, wherein this court rejected the petition, observing that it was an abuse of the process of the law and imposed exemplary costs of rupees 2 lakhs payable to respondents 6 to 11 who are now the one of ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Who are now the petitioners. The narration in the order that is passed was clear that the complainants, that the present complainants wanted to always throw a spanner in the spoke of execution throughout, and therefore the order was passed. After the said order, on 2nd March 2023, springs the impugned complaint, private complaint, Allah?
Private complaint.
Private complaint on 18/11/2023. The matter is referred to investigation by the learned magistrate under 156(3) without even looking into the contents of the complaint or what has happened earlier. It becomes a crime in crime number 390 of 2023, and the petitioners are now brought into the web of crime. Web of crime. This court, as observed here and above, had already indicated that it was an abuse of the process of the law. This is adding salt to injury. It is on the face of it an abuse of the process of the law by the first petitioner, who was the first petitioner in the said petition, becoming the complainant in the private complaint. While therefore there shall be an interim order of stay of all further proceedings in crime number so and so till the